Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing these sports bras made by Fruit of the Loom. Alright, so here is the package. This package of the Fruit of the Loom women's sports bras do come in 3 different colors. It depends on what packages you get. This one is the blue, white, and gray. They also have it in the black, white, and blue. So first off right here you can see this one here is the gray one. It is a lot of stretchability on these sports bras. You can see they can stretch even if they are a little small. They will give you extra stretch. Very good quality. The stitching on these are fantastic, so you don't got to worry about them unraveling or falling apart, as you can see right here. Very good stitching. And even the straps are stretchable. Then you have a tagless tag back here, so you don't have to worry about them itchy tags on your back. So now we got the white one as well. This one is very stretchy. Very good stitching on this one. This one definitely will not come apart. It's stretchy all around, as well as the straps in the front. You can tell right here is a little bit thicker versus the back. These straps here are well sewn, so you don't have to worry about them unraveling. Again, this one has a tagless tag. You don't even fill it on, so you don't have to be all itchy. This one is a size 40, and it tells you a little bit of how to wash these. I would definitely wash these on delicates, as you don't want them to fall apart, as well as any other bra that you own. So here's the blue one. On the blue one, you have a little bit more cushion in the front. Got some stretchiness right here. It does stretch all around. The bottom you can see right here, it's got more material, so it's a lot more sturdier on the bottom, especially around your breast. So this does come in a 3-pack. So right now I'm just going to try these on to show you exactly how these look. They don't leave you saggy or flat. So this is what it looks like when it's on. This is the blue color. It actually has got really good support. The back has got great support. It holds you up with no issues. I would definitely check these out because I am loving these sports bras, especially when I'm at sleep. These will help you keep up the sisters, so definitely check these ones out.